a while since I have been in a kitchen, and today I'm going to enter a kitchen what does be not my own and make sangria. I'm here in Spain, stuck here because of COVID restrictions. It's not the worst place in the world to be stuck, admittedly. Have I had sangria before? I think I've had like a sip or two, but I don't think I've had my own devoted glass before, so this is gonna be interesting. Today's video is sponsored by Surfshark. Surfshark is an app and browser extension that can allow you to place your phone anywhere in the world and use it as if you were in that country. It's come in really handy for me on this trip because I can stay tuned into my shows in Ireland and all the news reports there. It lets you access and unblock websites and videos that you may not ordinarily be able to see in your country. What are they trying to hide? The thing I particularly like to use it for is on Netflix. I can access 15 different Netflix locations, so basically whatever is on Netflix I can see irrespective of what country I'm in. It also adds an extra layer of security to keep your passwords, photos and videos safe. I'll put it this way, it's a VPN for dummies. Basically all you have to do is change your location and it does everything else for you. And you don't need different accounts across all your devices. It's the only VPN that works across all of your devices at the same time. Surfshark have been very cool in that they've given me a promo code to get you guys 83% off plus 3 months extra for free. I've looked at other VPNs, this one is the most user friendly. So thank you Surfshark for supporting the channel. On with the video. And here I am in not my kitchen. Now, I might use it as an excuse that I have no idea where anything is because this is not my kitchen. But if it was my kitchen, I still wouldn't have any idea where anything is. I remembered that we had a Spanish style apron. What I forgot was that it belongs to my 7-year-old niece. So it's a bit small. Okay, here's the thing about sangria recipes. They seem to presume that I know something about how ingredients work, and there's a lot of like, try whatever fruit you like. I don't like fruit. And there's a lot of, you know, just throw in a dash of that. What's a dash? What's a dash? So we're just going to make it up as we go along, and hopefully it has the effect of causing us pleasurable alcohol intoxication. You take your orange and you're just going to cut it up. You're just going to cut it up into little pieces, little bite-sized pieces. Don't eat the skin. That's a bad idea. Also, fun fact, don't give your dog orange peel skin because this juice is going everywhere. It's toxic to dogs. Oh no, I'm making a mess. Now I can hear you all saying, Diane, don't put the blade towards you. But ain't nobody got time for that. I feel like I've been doing this forever and I only have that much orange. But we just skip all this cooking and go straight to the bar. I think that's a good idea. Jeez. Oop, nearly cut my finger. I think there's more juice on me than there is in the bowl. Stop it. Oh! No, I thought I saw other people when they split open oranges. They just... I'm sure there's a trick to it. I can do apple. Apple's easy. Ah, geez, I haven't a clue where to go with this. I know you don't eat that bit. It's my 5 a day, isn't it? It's my 5 in a year, to be honest. Okay. Oh, I stabbed myself and dropped the pineapple. Ow! Ow! Oh, it's okay. I'm okay. It's very slippery. Be careful. Bloop, 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 bloop. Fruity, fruity, fruit, fruit, fruit. Ah, blood. We're gonna get demonetized.
This video has been demonetized for graphic depictions of violence and cruelty to pineapples.
And cutting up the fruit takes nearly 20 minutes. Is this really worth it? I hope so. We'll see. I feel like I've got a decent amount of fruit in here, okay? It's a good amount of fruit. Clean up, clean up. Oh, there's orange everywhere. There's orange in my hair. The next thing we have to do is the fun part, right? We're going to add the alcohol. And that's the good bit. 750 mils a bottle of dry Spanish red wine. Okay. I'm a strong, independent woman. I can open my own bottle of wine. No problem here. I absolutely know what I'm doing. is so satisfying. That's not the most satisfying thing ever. Okay, 750 mils. This only goes up to 500, so we'll have to do maths. Smells nice. Oh, basically the bottle was 750 ml. Well, that worked out well. A third of a cup of brandy. How big is a cup? It smells really good. 78 milliliters. So we're gonna say 100 because I don't have a 78 on that. And stronger is better. Am I right, ladies and gents? This is the Christmas brandy, by the way. They said you can use rum too, if you're wondering. But I wanted to stick to the recipe because I'm a purist. Oh, do you know what? I actually think this is going to be really nice. 3 to 4 tubs of organic brown sugar. Ah, will you fuck off with your organic? Oh, you silly person. Where do we keep the tubs bits? You know what? I'm just gonna wing it with the sugar because I feel like sugar's my thing, you know? Like, if anything, I know sugar, so I'm gonna just pile a rake of sugar in. Now what? Now if you're in America, you might have the fancy ice that comes out of your freezer, but here in Europe, we just have these. I mean, the posh people get the fridges to do the ice, but not the normal people. Is there anything worse than warm alcohol? Mulled wine, can't hack it. My fingers are so cold. I feel like 5 is a nice number. Cold. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, 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 stir. Okay, so I have a look. Do you know what? That's not bad. Legitimately, that is not bad. Can I just compliment the chef? It's a lot nicer than the orange was. It tastes very alcoholic. Very alcoholic. I've been advised you can add a little lemonade. So I'm going to do that. Oh, how do you do this? Do I just scoop it? No. Scoop. I'm not a good pourer. I have the shaky hands. If I went to a bar and they gave me that, I'd be well impressed. Well, not impressed, but I'd be satisfied. Okay, I will admit it, I'm biased, being the chef. I'm gonna get somebody else in. And you have to give your honest opinion. Not just because you know me.
Okay, I'll give you my totally honest opinion. That is perfect. And I'm an expert on sangria. That is absolutely perfect.
Yay!
Well done.
Isn't it?
Cheers.
Oh, move it in a little bit.
Cheers.
Yeah. Well, yeah, okay. That's very arty. Thanks, you can have that. Did I find it rewarding enough to have made that whole mess in the beginning? No. But we had fun, so. I've literally been cutting an orange for 10 minutes. Thank you. I got my finger, mommy. Say some orange? No. Go on, try some orange. No. You want to try pineapple? Oh, well, I mean, it was something. No, he does not like fruit. Now, well, whoever's going to drink this is going to enjoy bits of my blood as well. Blood. Maybe this is too much pineapple. Oh, for God's sake. Are you still good? I mean, this is my mom's kitchen, so I'm going to say it's probably the cleanest floor in the world. Oh God, I've made a mess.